Here I have Samsung Galaxy J6 and let me show you how to here insert Nano SIM and micro SD card. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key, choose power off and touch power off again just to confirm the operation. Then you need to open the slot. The slot is located right here at the left edge of the device. You need to use some thumper tag or special eject tool to open this slot. Here I have the simple paper pin. It could be enough for this slot. Let's just press it right here and you can remove here the whole slot. So here you can insert the Nano SIM card if you would like to. So let me do it. Here I have Nano SIM card with the characteristic edge right here. Let's put this card in that position. Then let's place the whole slot into your device and press it to the end. Alright, now let's open the second slot. Here you have the second slot. Let's also use some paper pin and let's press it right here. Alright, let's remove the slot and here you can insert the second SIM card and micro SD card. So let me do it. Let's start with the SIM card. Here I have the SIM card with the characteristic edge right here. Let's place it and let's insert the micro SD also with the characteristic edge right here. Now you need to put the whole thing into your device right here and press it to the end. Alright, so let me switch on the phone to check out if both cards are working properly. The device is switching on. Let's unlock the screen. Here the SIM card manager pops up, so it means that now you can use both SIM cards. Let's go back. Let's also find and select settings. Here from settings you can also choose connections and here you can also find the SIM card manager. Let's go back. Let's use the following list of settings and choose here the device maintains, tap storage, and as you can see here you can also read information about your SD card. So everything went well, both cards are working properly. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.